Hey, thanks for tuning in to Davo's Garage. We're going to test these 3 mechanic rolling seats. Buckle up. Here's the 4 categories for our comparison: speed, feel, durability, and of course, cost. Here's the Snap-on Mechanics rolling seat. Here's the Mac Tools rolling mechanic seat. Here's the Harbor Freight rolling mechanic seat. Here's the Snap-on. Here's the Harbor Freight. Mac Tools. All right, let's check the feel of each one of these seats. So you can see the Snap-ons had a modification. So that sits pretty firm. Harbor Freight, pretty firm as well because it's got the same kind of strut there. The Mac Tools, which still has that cantilever. You got a little bit of give, but it also kind of invites you to slide off because of that give, which is why the fella who had this Snap-on before me, he added that strut. All right, for the durability test, we're going to simulate when your car project frustration has pissed you off so much that you have the need to throw something. Let's try this one. As you can see, this passed the durability test. Due to the vintage nature of these seats, we're going to exempt them from durability testing and give them full points. The Snap-on was $30. The Mac Tools was $30. The Harbor Freight was a free find on trash day. And the winner is, who even cares? Hey, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Stay safe and talk to you soon.